Hello and welcome back to my channel, Razel Dazel. Been working on the socks for the sock along. I made it happen, so boop. I think they turned out pretty cute. And I've got the two pairs. I just finished up the ribbing on the top so you can like fold it like that. So these are a size, I'm going to say they're a size 10, but it's really tight in the heel because I tried to make the toe and heel pieces the same size to make it easier. But I think I have to make the heel part bigger because it's just a little too tight. A little too tight in the heel. So my next pair that I'm going to do, I'm going to try and make the heel piece just a little bit bigger than the toe piece because they fit pretty tight. It just fits a little tight up at the top on this part and in the heel. Because like I said, I was trying to do these two pieces the same size, but yeah, I have to make that piece bigger. So these are like, they fit pretty good until I get up into the mid piece here, and then the heel part is a little too small. But that's okay, I'm learning. I just need to make some adjustments. I can fit into them, they just fit too tight. So, I got them done. They're cute. Super tiny stitches. And I had to hand sew all the little areas together. I did that by hand. And then I didn't know if I'd have enough room this way, so I did like this little piece in the back. That little stripe in the back I did. So I don't know if I'm going to do that on the next pair. Anyways, I thought they turned out pretty good. First time using a 1.65 millimeter hook. And they turned out pretty good for my first pair of cashmere socks. Turned out not too bad. These were a pair of socks that I accidentally stuck in the washer and dryer, but these are one of the first pair of house socks that I made. They work. I love them. It's the wool. It's made out of wool, a wool blend. And you can see on this pair it's got a couple of holes. In them. They're a little worn. They still keep my feet warm and toasty. But those were my first pair of house socks. One of my very first pair. And they, I made some mistakes as I learned and learned how to construct the socks a little bit better. But the good thing about the house socks is, they're supposed to be loose and bulky. And if I wanted to, I could wear these with maybe some bigger boots or the rubber rain boots if I was going to go out and shovel snow, and they'd keep my feet warm. Because, in those type of boots, you got plenty of room. Of course, the socks get a little bunched up in there. That's kind of why I wanted to make a smaller pair that are more form-fitting, so that way when you wear your shoes, they don't get all bunched up in there. And now, so I got these done. So now I'm going to start on another pair, and I'm working on the little tiny, these will be the toe pieces. So I'm going to do the toe pieces. And then the heel pieces are just going to be a little bit bigger than this. And I haven't decided on what type of colors I'm going to use yet. So I figure once I get those heel and toe pieces done, I'll figure out what type of colors I want to use to make the next pair. And we'll see how that goes. But I'm super excited about this. I don't know, these took me a long time to make. Super long time to make because they're really small stitches. Very small. But that's what gives it more definition and texture. And I just did these in single crochet, and then the ribbing I did in half double for the ribbing. Yeah, and they're pretty nice. They turned out pretty good. So we'll see how the next pair turns out. And that's it for today. So everybody have a good night, and till next time. See you later. Bye.